What's up, members? Today is all about broiling. Piece of wild caught. I'm all about the wild caught Atlantic codfish. Smells great. You should smell the ocean here. If it smells like fish, goodbye. Broiling, super easy, super fast. A great cooking method to have in your nutrition arsenal, because that's really what this is all about. It's not about my culinary skills. It's about you being able to take this back and cook yourself a meal. All right, here we go, a little broiling of codfish. I got my pan, it's getting a little hot, a little bit of oil in the bottom of it, just a little bit, and I don't want it too hot. Put my fillets pretty side up, so that means the bottom goes down. That's where the skin was. Moving a little bit, we're gonna add a little bit of wine. Again, if you're not willing to drink it, don't cook with it. We're gonna put the acid on, lemon juice. But more or less, you can leave the wine out, you do whatever you want. We're gonna throw a little bit of garlic on there, a little bit of oil. Extra virgin, the good stuff. We're gonna throw some cracked pepper on there. You can use the shaker kind, nobody's judging. A little bit of coarse salt. It's going in the oven. Be back. All right, this is really close to being done. I pulled it out. I'm gonna put that breadcrumb mixture on top, and we're gonna just get a little browning going on. This is just basically for texture, a little added flavor. Remember, it's a really mild white fish, so, you know, you gotta help it out a little bit. Completely optional, but I would really be careful, because you're gonna put this under the broiler and it is gonna burn real fast on you. Be right back. That was less than 30 seconds. Careful, enjoy it. Very helpful, very Mediterranean, helping you with your nutrition goals.